Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. This video will be going over Savings Highway Global and how you can make up to two to $3,000 a month with the system that costs only $20 to start. Yep, that's right, only $20 to start. And so with that, you get discounts on hotels. Let me go and open it up. So discounts on hotels. You get your own travel portal, legacy travel portal, your employee discount portal, and you also save on auto insurance and home insurance as well too. And here's what you also get. So there is 14 different ways to earn with this program. You have the 100% fast starts. All right, you have the more than 100% paid the first month, up to 80% paid monthly. Okay. The fourth way is unlimited 10% matching bonuses. You also get put in the 3 by 12 monthly matrix commissions. So there's a chance of you getting spillover. You could you can get paid every Wednesday. Okay. You can get paid worldwide. Okay. So um, anyone from any different countries could get paid as well too. There are different contests and promotions. You get unlimited income potential, get in profit with only two referrals, and then you do have the leadership and rank awards as well. Okay, you could level lowering your bills, commissions, and then 10 level health care commissions, and then leaders 5% corporate profit sharing as well too. All right, so those are the different ways you could get paid. So you could also join, like I said, as a gold member at the $20 level, and you could either that or you could join at the titanium level. And there's also a third level at $199 a month. You could join as well too. All right, so if you do decide to join with me, you'll get bonuses from me, which includes different landing pages, uh, done for you funnel system, and a 7-day follow-up email series. If you do decide to join with me, and you get a landing page looking similar to this. Let me open it up here. Okay, so you get something that looks similar to this. So it'll be slightly different so you could stand out from the crowd, and you will get different ways to generate leads as well from me as well too. Now, if you are interested in joining this program, go ahead and click on the link below. And thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.